how to book a stopover on Singapore Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can book a stopover on Singapore Airlines, and here is how to go about it. Booking a stopover with Singapore Airlines can enhance your travel experience by allowing you to explore a new city or country during your journey. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your Singapore Airlines account, just like I have done here, and then scroll over to the book a trip part of the screen. So yeah, you can just select book a flight, then move to the right side where you can see multi cities slash stopovers. Just go ahead and select stopovers. After selecting stopovers, you'll be taken to the another page entirely. So on this page, you can see flight 1. Yeah, alright. Where you can select your destination, your departure date. Then you can now add flights, alright. By clicking on add flights, then you can add more flights and add flights. And each of these flights would be your stopovers before you now get to your final destination. Alright, and then you can now click on search, and then the flights that can cater for all of your stopovers will be searched for are presented to you, and then you can now go ahead and make all of the necessary all of the payments necessary. Okay, so this is how it works. This is basically how you can add or book a stopover on Singapore Airlines. Just go ahead and fill in all of the details, the places that you have to go to, click on search, follow the procedures, make your payments, and you are good to go. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.